So over here in the color timeline, you can see that I have the in and out point set on the main timeline. So if you want to go around and then remove out the in and out point right here, then what you need to do is press Alt X on your keyboard and it'll be cleared out. So that is it. So another thing that you can go around and do in the color piece is you can go around and grab stills. Let's say, for example, you want to match out the color for this particular footage right here. So maybe you applied color correction onto it and you want to take this as a reference so that you can apply the same color correction over here in the other footages as well. So I'm going to go around onto the footage that I want to take as a reference, and you can go around over here, right click and click on grab still. So once I do that, this is what you have. So the still is grabbed on, and you can go around over here and you can see that this is a footage right here. You can bring that in right here. So you can go around, and then as you hover around, you can see that it actually applies that particular color correction effect on the new footage that is selected. You can double click over here and see the before and after over here as well, and see like what it would look like if the same color correction is applied. As you can see, you can right click and switch to white mode right here to remove the still once more. But let me just go around and then double click right here, and this is what you have. So now you can go around and take that as a reference right here and add the same effect until it matches out over here, just like this, as you can see over here. Then you can work around with the color correction so that it matches out the color correction for the left one, as you can see right here. So once you're happy, you can go around and then utilize it onto the third as well. You can go around and grab still from over here as well. So you can go around, grab a still, and you can see that I can go around over here, and then you can see that you can apply out that still over here as well and see how it would look right there, just like that. And then you can do the same right here. Talking about stills, you can go around to remove out the stills over here as well, or click on this to see the still. And another thing that you can do is you can go to view, and stills is a menu. So you can grab the still, you can play the still right here, as you can see right here. You can go around over here onto view right here. You can go to grab still right over here as well to grab out still just like this from a particular footage. And you can go around over here onto still, go to previous still right here, click on this. So I'm just going to go around right here onto view. You can go to previous still, and you can also press Ctrl Alt plus B and Ctrl Alt F right here, as it says right here. So you can go for previous still right here and then work around with it just like this. So let me just go around over here onto view right here, and under view, you can see previous still is an option. So Control Alt B. So Control Alt B, B, and there you go. That is how you can sift through the stills according to how you want as well. And that is how you can clear out the loop and then grab out stills that are grab out stills for reference inside of Davinci Resolve color page. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.